crafty friends, Lace here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Larissa, which is October Avenue, and I just look at how cute this card is that she's made. This is so cute, like so cute. I know that she was like super into card making, I think, if I remember the backstory, before she got more into like more paper crafting, but this is freaking adorable. It's freaking bats. She's made 3. She said they're all the same, just to pick one. So look at how cute these are. So she's got these cute little bags, but she's done vinyl on them. I need to like invest in some plain bags that I can do like vinyl iron-on stuff on. And she's got a little tag, a little bow on it. And let's see what's inside. And yeah, she hosted her own Halloween swap too, so I really appreciate her putting in for my swap, because she also sent in, I'm pretty sure it's a loaded tote or embellishment book. I don't know which one. I haven't opened it yet. So she'll have another video coming up real soon. And I just got a bunch more boxes in today. I'm going to try to get as many videos as I can done. But as you know, I live in Florida. I am safe from the hurricane, but I do have family members that are right in like a direct line of it. So I'm kind of preoccupied, but I'm going to try my best to stay focused here. So here she's created this cute little pocket. I can't remember whose pocket this is, but this is really cute. And she's put all of her goodies in there. And I think this is a Paige Evans collection that she's using, but it's gorgeous. So in here, she's got this little treat bag. Let's see what's in here. Come on. Oh, I didn't want to rip it. Oh, we have a little boo die. Very cute. I actually don't think I have this one in my collection. So I think it's this one right here. So cute. So cute. You know, I love how she did the little white accents. I always think it's so cute, and I always like, oh, I should do that. And you know what? I just get distracted and I don't, I guess. But here are her shakers. She's got this little spooky shaker. So cute. She's offset the words a little bit so you get the black shadow. I love doing that. It's got a little bat. I love these little bats that she's got. I'm guessing, I'm trying to remember what haul they're from, but they're like little glitter bats, but they're dimensional. They're not flat. So it's like a little cabochon. See? I don't know if you can see that, but they're really cute. And they actually have a little face on them. It's hard to see, but they actually have a little face on them. She's got a little witch's hat. So cute. This paper collection is super cute. Okay, even the back of the paper is so cute. I did not get it. And also, you know, the fall stickers that we've all been sharing around, but these are great stickers to have, so I'm not mad about it. And then here is her embellishment book, or box, sorry. So here is her embellishment box. So we have a cute little haunted house. Very cute. And it's heavy, so it's got some stuff in it. So let's see. So here, we'll zoom in for these. I like doing that so I don't have to hold it. So in this one, we have all kinds of little bows. So many little bows. I love the little pink polka dot ones. We have some gingham ones. This dainty little black and white one. So many cute bows, and they all go well with the collection. They're black, white, orange, pink, and yellow. So I don't know if that's what she's going for, but it does all go. It coordinates. And then we have a whole bunch of buttons here. I love buttons. Even like, I don't use them very often, but I really should. Oh, I love these little orange star buttons. So there's a bunch of buttons and a bunch of brads, which you can't ever have enough brads, but they're little flowers, little plain ones. These are different. Usually like they're the center prong that you like flay open, but I think these ones you kind of like pinch close like this. I don't know if I've ever seen them, But I can't wait to add the buttons to my button box, my button tin. I have some flowers. Oh, little ones. I like this style flower, and I don't have that one, I don't think, in my collection, but I love getting little flowers. I love making little flowers. So cute. And then we have a bunch of charms in this one, like just a bunch, like so many charms. Love the big spider. We have some hands. We have a little haunted house, spell book, bats, spiders, pumpkins. Oh, we have a zombie guy. I don't know if I've seen the zombie guy yet. Little zombie guy. There's so many. Little ghosties, spiders, spider webs, skeletons, ghosts. Just so many. But, you know, she's an online shopper too. I know she's always doing hauls too. This one is really cute. It's like a moth. We've seen these enamel ghosties, but they never get old. Witch hats, witches, little potion bottles, so many good things. Little skeleton keys, another skelly guy, another little moth. What else do we have in here? Another ghosty and a little witch. They're so cute. So many charms. That's what was heavy, like in that back corner. Then we have these little bats. I seen her haul these. These are so stinking cute. So when you did put on the dangle, it's like hanging upside down. We have some little bat flat backs. This one's actually a button, a little wooden button. We got a little skelly guy and more bats. And this little bat right here. And then this one we have candy corn. We have some wire wrapped beads. Those are always good to have. So there's candy, there's bows, there's a skeleton, a skull, little mommy, little pumpkin. So many good things. Lots of different types of skulls. This one says scare. Have more skulls and eek. I love all the different colored skulls. And there's even like a little flat back candy in there that probably came from another little one. But look how little that is. That's so cute. So many skulls. I like that they're already wrapped up and ready to go. We have this little witch hat. We have this little like Grim Reaper type of guy. Look at that pretty bow. That's a pretty bow. Another pretty bow. And then we have some lobster claws. You can never have enough lobster claws. I love the neon colors. I like neon. So yeah, these are always good to have. I have a big old stash of them and I keep ordering them because you just never know what size you might need, what colors you might need. Perfect. And then we have a little flatback gummy bear that went in one of them. Then we have some little mini rosettes. I love mini rosettes. And they're all, look at that paper, so pretty, fronts and backs. So they're just pretty all around, no matter what side you use. So good. And then, oh, look at this little potion or like spell book. I don't know if I've seen this one yet. That one's cute. Some ghosties. Another little skelly guy. Little witch. I don't think I've seen the witch yet either. A little witch hat, a ghosty, a couple other little nail charms. Ooh, this one's really cute. I don't know if I've seen that one yet either. A little ghost. And then we have this little acrylic ghost. Oops. All right, we have some trim. We have a little jack-o'-lantern trim and a little ghosty trim. And then we have some pumpkin face beads. We have candy corn, a candy, a little witch hut, but it looks kind of like a mushroom. A little jack-o'-lantern, candy corn, a little skelly guy. He's cute. Oh, here's another one of those little skulls. I love this bright orange. I'm going to have to go back and see if she's done a video to see where she's got the little candies, because like the little nail charms that are like neon colored, because I need these. I need those and I haven't seen them. Another little ghosty. We have a jack-o'-lantern bell. some more little nail charms. Oh, little pink pumpkin bead, a little spider. We have some bones. I love the bones. I've been using the bones like crazy. But yeah, these little guys, I need these. This little bat. Oh, it's a little ghost. These are cute too. I don't know if I've seen these because it's like, it's a nail charm still, but they're on the bigger side. But those are really cute. Ooh, I like that too. I like everything. Ooh, little cauldron. Another little guy. So cute. But these little skulls, I need those. I need those in my life. So thank you so much, Larissa. This is a great little box. Definitely, it's so funny that I keep seeing more new stuff every time I open one of these boxes. That's why we do them, because you share the things that you find. Sometimes you find stuff that some other person might not find. If you've had stuff in your stash for a couple years and you pull it out, like some people might have missed out on it. You just never know. So I love doing these type of swaps because you get to see what people like and what's in their stash, and you definitely see stuff that you haven't seen before or that you don't have in your stash. So if you have any questions, let me know below. I'll link Larissa's information below. Go check out her channel too. I'm sure she's got a playlist of all the swaps that she did for her Halloween swap. And stay tuned for the next swap. Bye, guys.